Thanks for joining the OneScreen channel. Hi, I'm Kevin, VP of Sales at Clarity Icon, and I'd like to introduce you to OneScreen. OneScreen interactive collaboration hardware and software solutions are built to help teams, teachers, and salespeople alike sell better, strategize better, train better, teach better, and work better together in the same room or remotely. Today in our mobile global marketplace, work is seen more and more as a process, not a place. And we want to give all of our business and education customers the freedom they need to work anywhere with anyone in any way that makes sense for them. Right now, I'd like to show you our video collaboration hardware products. We've been innovating in the video collaboration industry for over 6 years now. This is OneScreen Hubware. All-in-one solution, easy to use, ultra compatible, and free unlimited support. OneScreen is an all-in-one video collaboration, audio conferencing, interactive whiteboarding, screen sharing, annotating, polling, recording, saving, remote management, and more. And OneScreen is easy to use, just like your computer, but with a large touchscreen, so it's familiar for highly technical teams or not so savvy users. Everyone can walk up and work. OneScreen is ultra compatible and is built to integrate easily into your existing collaboration tech portfolio from hardware to software and firmware, including Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Chrome operating systems. And unlike any other manufacturer, OneScreen provides unlimited free Screen Skills Guru support and training with all of our solutions via audio, video, chat, email, or phone. So whether you're collaborating, presenting, training, or teaching, there's a OneScreen for the scenario you're working in. Which OneScreen model is best for you? Well, you can build your own and we can start here. Hubware. For boardrooms, large conference rooms, and lecture halls, Hubware is the highest quality interactive video collaboration hub we know of. With the full HD PTZ camera, speakerphone, and original LG IP LED panel provides large rooms and teams with the essential quality of video, visuals, and sound necessary for successful presentation and interaction. Next on the list, OneScreen Canvas. Canvas is for the hardest working conference and classrooms. Canvas is the video collaboration workhorse in this lineup. The full HD webcam, original LG IP LED smart screen with simple smart software is the perfect interactive touchscreen for developing brilliant ideas with smart people and students in the same room or across the globe. Lastly, we have OneScreen Touchscreen. This is for the simplest conference and classrooms looking for solid collaboration tech building blocks. The touchscreen is an unbeatable, interoperable, plug-and-play smart screen that ships with a complete software and firmware package that's ready to enable. This year, we're really excited to roll out our 5 Series. All of our OneScreen 5 Series models are manufactured with original LG IPS LED panels, onboard Android 6 operating system, full range of Google Play Store apps, highly powerful Wi-Fi connectivity for bring your own device scenarios, cutting edge cameras and Dolby sound, and faster infrared touch response for precision drawing. Plus, unlike any other smart screen manufacturer, OneScreen includes the industry's most robust software and firmware bundled with all the models, and of course, there's an Android and iOS app. All of your collaboration tools like video or audio conferencing, interactive whiteboarding and screen sharing, controlling, annotating, polling, recording, saving, etc., they're all right here. And they all seamlessly integrate with laptops, desktops, tablets, and phones. So for our business customers, OneScreen is the video, voice, and data hub, interactive whiteboard brainstorm screen, and presentation tool all in one. And for our education customers, OneScreen is the distance and blended learning hub where all of your teaching tools live within reach of this one screen. Lastly, all of our products have always included free, unlimited live training and support from our Screen Skills Guru team, and they still do. Thanks for joining us today.